Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet the spike stitch cluster. To begin, chain 30, or any multiple of 8 plus 6. Skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Do this for a total of 4 rows. Before you finish the last single crochet on row 4, we're going to change to the pink color. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. It's time to do the spike stitch. The first spike goes over 1 and down 1. The second and the third are on a diagonal in the spaces between the stitches. Draw up a loop. Draw up the second loop. And the third loop. Now we move to this side. Draw up a loop and draw up the next loop on the diagonal. Draw up a loop and draw up the next loop on the diagonal. You can see how it looks like a V. Yarn over and pull through all loops. On the back, we only want to leave this 1 stitch alone. We need to crochet in the next stitch, so you may need to move the pink yarn. Make 7 single crochet stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Do the spike cluster again. I like to think of it as a V shape. Just a reminder, you are inserting your hook in the spaces between the stitches. Yarn over and pull through. Make 7 more single crochet stitches. Here's the next spike cluster again. Yarn over and pull through. At the end of this row, make 8 single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 3 more rows of the pink for a total of 4 pink rows. Now it's time to change to the white yarn. This time, to stagger the clusters, we're going to start with 8 single crochet stitches instead of 4. Make a cluster. Make 7 single crochet in between. Then do your next cluster. At the end, just make 4 single crochet stitches. and make 3 more rows of white. The next gray color will be just like the pink cluster row. Keep alternating clusters like this for every 4 rows.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.